For my video, I have Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law is the equation that relates force and two charges and the distances between them, with Q1 being charge 1, Q2 being charge 2, and R the distance between the two charges. The equation is F being force equals K sub E multiplied by Q1 times Q2 all over R squared. With this, K sub E is a constant equaling 9 times 10 to the 9th times Newton meters squared per Coulomb squared. The charges in Coulomb's law can either be positive, negative, or neutral. Charges that are both positive will be repelled by each other, with charges that are both negative being repelled by each other as well. On the other hand, if the charges are of opposite signs, being positive and negative, then they are attracted to each other. Then there's neutral charges that have no interaction whatsoever between positive and negative charges. A positive force will result in a repulsive force. A negative force will result in an attractive force, and a neutral force will result in a force of 0. It is also important to point out that the distance r in the equation follows the inverse square law. This means that if you double the distance, it will result in 1/4 the overall charge, or 1/4 the overall force between the two charges. Whereas if you half the distance, it'll quadruple the force between the two charges. And that, in a nutshell, is Coulomb's law.